Hi everyone, so day 3 in my food everyday journey. So today we're going to have some Pieminster pies because I had a really busy day today, so I didn't have time to cook. So I had these pies in the fridge. So I've got a beef steak and craft ale pie and free range chicken pie as well. Both have got the Great Taste Awards, which is good because you can kind of trust it, and everything I have got with the Great Taste Award has tasted good so far. So that's what I'm going to have for dinner today, and what my day 3 video is all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I shall see you tomorrow for day 4.